I just wanted to show you a quick and easy project that I did many years ago. And it's so easy and simple to take pictures from trick-or-treating Halloween over the years and put them in one little album. You don't have to put a lot of effort into this, and it is a great way to use up your scraps and just have a fun little project to do. I just got just one of those inexpensive 4x6 albums. And this was one that had like a little cover and it had a picture in it. And so I just slit the end, pulled that random picture out, and put in my own piece that was kind of the title for my album. And so I'll just do a little flip through, and this is just to spark ideas for you and give you something fun to work on. This would be amazing as a grandparent gift. But I did this probably about 13 years ago, and then I just bring this out every fall and put it out as part of my fall decor. And it's very, very simple. I literally just did one picture per year. And I will try to hold this so that you don't have glare. But just one simple Halloween from the beginning. You know, every year we take pictures of these adorable kids, and this is a nice way to just flip through and see them one at a time. So I just put a piece in here. This is a piece of black cardstock with a print, and then I did these letters with my die cut machine. And so I put the year every year. Again, I'm just using up my scraps, and these are very minimally decorated, but fun. And I wrote on the black with a silver pen so that I could remember who all was in the photograph, but very quick and very easy. I did use some things that had a little dimension to them from time to time, and that doesn't bother me a bit to have the extra bulk in here. It's just a fun way to celebrate through the years. So like this is a dimensional camera, and I've got brads and things that are a little bulky, and it's just fun. So I would just encourage you to take pictures of those kids each year, and you could add to the album every year. Or if you're like me and your kids are grown, you could go back and find one picture of the kids from every year and just put them together in one album so that you could get it out and look at it each year and enjoy the pictures you've already taken and use the supplies you already have. So I hope that inspires you to do a quick and easy project. You could do this in a couple of evenings or on the weekend whenever you have time. Again, it's just one of those inexpensive albums that you would probably find in any dollar store or any photo area of your favorite store. They usually have them by the register there. And this is about how thick mine got. I'll kind of show you that. And it was just fun. So I encourage you to do this. If you do one, I would love it if you would come back and let me know how it went, and maybe even share a picture with me. I love seeing your work, and it's just rewarding to know that you've gone out and tried some of these projects. So with that, I hope that you will have fun, be creative, and do something meaningful today.